Hi guys, my name is Monique Mazer and I'm a professional makeup artist based out of Southern California, and today I'm super excited. We're going to be talking about how to naturally contour. I'm going to be using the Be I Beautiful palette, which I love. You can customize it. We're actually going to be using blush for this. This is what I use on all of my clients. So I use a lighter blush and then a darker blush. So it's a little makeup artist secret that I use. So we'll go ahead and get started and I'll show you how to do that. So to get started, you're going to take Paris Springs, which is the shade that works for my skin tone. Depending on how fair or deep you are, you want to kind of adjust so it's pretty similar in shade to your skin tone, maybe slightly deeper. And then a little bit, it's like a dual fiber brush, and you're going to go ahead and dip in there. I always like to dip off or tap off any extra product, and I go straight in to where my cheekbones are. So you're gonna want to hit, you can even take your brush and you'll feel right where your bone is, and that's where you want to contour. So you're gonna go ahead and contour through here. I like to take mine up through here, and this will raise your cheekbones. So you're gonna grab the next deepest shade, which is New York Summer for me, which is this gorgeous shade. I love this on its own. Same brush, tap in there. And again, you're going to feel for that bone, and that's where you're going to place this deeper blush. And pull it through here. I always go back in and hit my edges with my concealer brush, just to make sure that it is very well blended. And there you go, a super easy way to contour using blushes. I absolutely love this technique on camera. It looks gorgeous, and in photos it looks gorgeous. It's one of my favorite ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and I'll be right back. And that is it, super quick and easy. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them down below, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks, bye.